Hello.
Hi, I'm calling from Rangeland Chapel.
Yes, hey.
Yeah. Is that Ishi?
Yes, it's me.
Yeah. I just want to tell you, unfortunately, one
Um,
of your relatives, Harold,
yeah.
collapsed in his shift.
My God.
Immediately taken to the hospital. Yeah.
Hey. Oh, Jesus. So where is he now? Oh.
Yeah.
Hey.
We have just received a
Oh.
call from the hospital
Yeah.
informing us that he has passed away.
Hey!
Unfortunately.
Jesus. He did what? Normal. Hey! I don't know. Oh, okay then. Oh, yes, okay now. Ooh. Hello, Harold, Nemo. Hey, nigga, the other one last year. 9 years not alone too much. Okay, my Harold, that my friend.
Yeah.
That my friend.
I'm kitty. Where can Bapta sitting there?
Oh my God. Sister, ma talk one more. Imagine. Harold, you must Harold money and about on a most no one day. One day, you can one day. No, we are
That boy, yes.
And I roll with the last year's boy, on a roll governor. So you can not 3 weeks ago, can I say I lose no every day. On a roll 6 days, 7 days.
You mean
move for on a load 24 hours.
Hey.
Na say I lose the man bom kita sim nongo no than na
Hey.
we buga na hospital.
Give me on.
That's no
Hey. It's again.
no
Hey. I want to Nigeria. Be off for your hand.
No mami na phone no money ya
Na nego. Hey, Jesus. Hey. You mean the hanka? Oh, yeah, can I say, or you roll 2 or 3 times in a week. In fact, I say roll 3 times or 4 times. It's okay. At least then you will help. Even no daughter why be an abeha. That's why if most times say holiday. Hey, hey, mean the hey,
how do never
Kina wa mi ha. Kina wa mi ha.
Thank